Check the control board output terminals for the blower circuit voltage before assuming the thermostat or motor is at fault. Start by confirming the thermostat call is actually reaching the control board by observing the status indicator light or input terminals, while the thermostat requests heat or cooling. Use a non-contact voltage tester first to verify presence of line voltage at the board input to ensure the panel is energized. Measure the blower output terminals with a multimeter set to the correct alternating current range, checking for 120 volts or 240 volts depending on system design, and compare to the incoming line voltage to rule out upstream supply loss. If the board shows 0 volts at the blower output, while the incoming supply and thermostat call are both correct, suspect an internal relay or electronic switch failure on the board. Inspect the board visually for burned traces, bulging capacitors, or cold solder joints, which often accompany relay failures and can be repaired or warrant replacement. Note that some modern boards use solid-state relays or triacs, which fail without visible signs, so if measurements and inspection point to the board, replacement is the most reliable fix to restore blower operation. Common mistakes include assuming the blower motor is defective when the board is not supplying voltage, which can lead to unnecessary motor replacement. Verify voltage at the motor leads first and replace the board if the motor receives no voltage. Another issue is testing with the wrong meter settings, which can give false 0 readings. Always confirm meter function on a known live source and select the correct alternating current range before testing. A frequent oversight is forgetting to check both line and load sides of the board, so technicians miss upstream supply problems. Always measure incoming line voltage and then the board output, so you can tell whether the issue is upstream or within the board. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for electrical and HVAC board work and offers resources on how to safely diagnose control board issues. We connect contractors looking for projects with homeowners and host a discussion community where professionals and DIYers share tips and troubleshooting experiences.